I mean, I know what this should be, but it can't be. It's an envelope. I mean, nothing comes from Shop Disney in an envelope that should be shipped in an envelope. Well, let's assume this is from Shop Disney, which means it's time for another episode of Come On Shop Disney, Really? And I say that because if you can do it once, why not do it every time? With that said, let's get into this envelope and find out what we got. There we go. Packing slip. And I should have 4 pins. It looks like a Peep Pixar Remix from Series 2. And next we have Remy. And then we have a little guy from Up. I'm going to be honest, I'm drawing a blank. I can't remember his name. And lastly, we have Sheriff Woody. So here's all of our Pixar pins from Series 2. They advertised that these were going to be released at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 a.m. Pacific Time, and they actually ended up being released about 4 a.m. that morning. I just happened to get on the internet and I'm just like, you know what? It's 4 o'clock. I'm going to see if they're there. There won't be a link for it. You just got to search. Right there. I ordered these on August 22nd. It didn't actually ship until September 12th, and I received it on September 15th. It took between 20 and 21 days from order date to ship date. That seems a little long, but from what I hear all over the internet, it's kind of the same thing, except for with a few people that I have already gotten almost everything. Now, why do I say, come on Shop Disney, really, in this packaging? Because like I said, if you can do it once with the bubble wrap, do it every time. If all I have is 4 pins, throw it in a bubble wrap bag. That's all you gotta do. Have you gotten your Pixar Remix Series 2 pins yet? Did you order yours early in the morning because you just happened to catch that they were released early in the morning? If so, put it in the comments below. Did you get yours in a bubble wrap bag, or did you get it in a gigantic box with no packaging material? Again, put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes.